Here we are, 4.5 k's in, cramping calves. We're gonna run it out.
Yeah, maybe.
Because we're athletes like that.
Yeah, maybe.
Hopefully there's some masseuses here at this water stop. Rub down my legs for me quickly. Check it. Have a little Coke and go. Hey, little Coke and go, Barry.
Yeah, boy.
Anyone carrying us across the river?
No, you got your
Coke and go.
You got this far, yeah, you can do the rest.
Thank you. Here we go. Go, Barry.
Twinkle toes.
Into South Africa we made it. We made it. Next hurdle. Tar. We have found the tar. Barry has officially taken me my furthest distance I've ever run. 16.5 kilometers. Which means we got 4.5 left to go. And I don't know, another truck. Okay.
Lovely.
Packed up. We made it, Toby. We fucking made it. Here we go. Done.
Nice one.
Thank you.
It's rolling in thick and fast. Now the red team.
Oh, hallelujah.
Nice one.
Hallelujah.
450.